Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get more details of an item on the eBay app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the eBay app, tap on an item, what you like. And here you can see about this item. You can see some details of it, but if you tap on this arrow on the right, here you can see more details of it too. I'm showing with another item. Tap on the arrow and here you can read about this item. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.